previous lesson, we created a couple of simple dashboards. We're now ready to share them with managers or colleagues. Power BI offers a variety of ways to share and collaborate on content. Most of these options require you to have a Power BI Pro license, but we'll also discuss how you can distribute content using the free version of Power BI. The Power BI free license is intended for personal use, and as a result, Microsoft provides limited options for sharing content. With Power BI free, the only option for sharing dashboards is to publish them to the web. Let's do this for a report. We'll navigate to the report page, select the three dots, embed, and publish to the web. This allows us to create an embed code that people can click to reach the report. Note that there are no access controls when using this method. That is to say, anyone on the internet can access the report if they have the link. As a result, you probably won't use this in a business situation unless the data is intended for public consumption. We'll press close to cancel this operation. If you're using Power BI Pro, then a better option is to share dashboards by email. We'll select My Workspace and select the dashboard we worked on previously. We'll then select the Share button on the top left. This will open the Share dashboard pane. Here, we'll enter the email addresses of individuals with which we would like to share the dashboard. We have the option of including a message to accompany the dashboard, but we won't do that now. At the bottom, we can grant the recipient rights to further share the dashboard with other people. We can also decide whether to send an email to recipients. If this box is checked, Power BI will send an email to the recipients, telling them that we shared a dashboard with them, along with a link to the dashboard. We can leave this box unchecked, but in order for the recipient to access the dashboard, we'll need to deliver the link through a different medium. We'll ensure all boxes are checked, and select Share. Note that the recipient generally must have a Power BI Pro account to see your dashboard. However, if your company uses Power BI Premium, only you as a person sharing the dashboard needs to have Power BI Pro. Let's select Share again and look at the Access tab. Here we can see the full list of people who have access to the dashboard and their level of access. We can select Manage Permissions to see more details on this access. If we select the dots next to the name of the person we shared with, we can see that we have options to alter the level of access or remove access completely. As such, we have full control over who can see the dashboard and their level of access. Another option for sharing is to print our dashboards or reports from Power BI. We'll return to our dashboard, click Export on the top left corner, and then print this page. This will bring up a standard printing window. We can also print reports by going to a report, then click Export and print. Note that you can only print one page of a report at a time. Power BI Pro provides other more advanced means of distributing Power BI content within your organization. For example, apps allow you to create collections of dashboards and reports for groups of people or for your organization as a whole. We'll cover this in a future course. This marks the end of our first course on Power BI. As we've seen, Power BI lets you create insightful reports and dashboards much more quickly than other applications such as Excel. In the upcoming courses, we'll cover the various features of Power BI and Power BI Desktop in more detail.